Hello! Lads, have you rubbed your meat today? Or ladies, have you rubbed your chaps' meat today? No? Well, today, I'm going to be rubbing my meat live on camera. So if you want to watch it, watch it. If not, you might as well watch anyway. So let's rub my meat. Rub your meat, guys, rub your meat. I had this given to me off Dan. I think he got it from Amazon. It was in Amazon box. And he said that he hasn't tried it himself, but he says the reviews are really good. And I've looked at the reviews, and they are. They're really good. Now, on the ingredients at the back there, you ain't going to see that. So I'm going to read them to you. It says, ingredients are cayenne pepper, paprika, sugar, ground coriander. It says parsley there. I don't know what parsley is. I don't know if it means barley, but it says parsley. Thyme, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. And that's what it is. Rub your meat. And it says on there, where is it? Enhance enhance perfect, add to top, improve better for your bake, broil or barbecue or oven. And it also says somewhere Cajun meat, master mix, meat, poultry and alligator. Well, can't get any alligator, can we? So we're having some slow cooked pork ribs. Obviously these are from Aldi, but I want to try the meat. So what I've done, I bought 2 packs. There they are. I'm going to do one with just obviously the rub on, and I'm going to do the other one with a rub and the barbecue sauce on top, because I want to try one without the barbecue, if you get what I mean. So we just want to see what that's like. So what I'm going to do is, actually, let's open this first and have a look. Oh, just got to undo it, guys. I haven't even opened it. Look, there we go. Let's have a quick look at it. Smell. Ooh. Oh yes. Oh, that smells absolutely. Oh yes, divine, should I say. That is going to be delicious on some barbecue in the summer or late spring, whenever. And you get one of these nice little pots with it. Maybe I can lock it up, there we go. Yeah, I think I looked on Amazon as a tenner. They've got a discount code at the minute. I don't know whether Dan paid a tenner or not, I'm not sure. But on Amazon for a tenner. Awesome Chef, the company is, or something. Anyway, so what we're going to do, I got myself just my tray for a minute. I'm going to get some foil, and I'm going to cook my ribs in the oven on low for about an hour and a half. Because what I want is I want all that juice off the ribs and off that, and then I can pour it over the ribs. Do you get what I mean, guys? So I'm going to make like a little parcel in this, and for the last like 10 minutes or something I will open it up. But it's all about the rubbing your meat in it today. That's what it's all about. So we'll get one of these open. And I'm going to leave them, I'm going to rub it on there, and I'm going to leave it for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just while the oven warms up. And it says, I looked online, and it says, use generously. Now, obviously when you first time have any new seasonings or anything, you've got to play by ear, ain't you? You know what I mean? Because you don't know how strong it is or what there, so I'll get myself a spoon. And I'll rub it in, and I'll pour it over. Says generously, and we'll rub it all in. Maybe a tablespoon, eh? On each side. I was going to put some oil on here first, but once this all starts cooking, it should just, you know, incorporate in there, shouldn't it? And we'll do the other side. And we'll get all a good rub. And we will leave it, guys, for 10 minutes. 15 minutes or so, just to soak in a little bit. And I'll do the other one. And there's the second one. The second one's got a bit more juice in, so I'll probably use that one for the normal one, and the first one I done for the barbecue. So I'm just going to put them into like a little parcel. I'm going to let the oven warm up, and I'm going to put them in the bottom of the oven, I reckon, for about an hour, and I'll put it on 160 degrees, and then after an hour I'll take them out, and I'll open them up, and I'll just get them a bit, you know, a bit crunchy, and I'll put the barbecue on the other one. And we'll just have a go, guys, eh? We'll see. There we go. Okay, guys, it's been about 50 minutes so far, so I'm just going to have a look. The one at the front is just the seasoning on its own. Oh, yes. That smells, look at that juice in there, that's what I want. That smells absolutely delicious. Right, I'm going to leave it open now, like that. Oh, that smells gorgeous, man. It really does. I'm going to put that one back in the oven, and we're going to do the barbecue on the other one. Oh, the smell's there. Wow. I'll open the barbecue up. And we'll pour it on. Just so we can get the taste of the both two different ones, eh? And just see. I'm not going to do both sides, I'm just going to pour it over like that. And just give it a brush on. And we'll leave that one open, guys, and I'll leave them on for about another 10 minutes, I think we'll do. 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll be done. And there they are, guys. Been in about an hour and 15 minutes altogether. And the smell, delicious, they really do. So, let's dish up. You can't really see a lot in them, can you? So we'll get me plate. Now across. Let's see if I can get this off. Without it all falling apart. They've been out a couple of minutes. Just let them cool down a little bit. Oh, bones are falling off, which is a good sign. And I want to get this juice on top of this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And there we go, guys. Right. I'll dish the one up and let's get up the table. So, guys, the smell. Delicious. That one is, what's it called? I forgot. Rub your meat. This one is rub your meat. And that one is rub your meat and barbecue.
Right, okay.
So, I'll put them on separate plates, but we might want to swap and change. You know what I mean? Half and half or something. I don't know. We don't know what they're like. Whether it's too overpowering or what. You know what I mean, babe?
Yep.
Let me get you a closer look, guys.
Does smell lovely.
It smells really nice, doesn't it?
What do you want?
Look at that.
Do you want me to cut half so you can have half of mine?
Ooh, look at that.
Try.
Nice and soft. Yeah, just try
Do you
a...
want a half of mine?
No, you just try one first. Just try a section.
I'll just try
You know what I mean,
yeah.
babe?
Yep.
I keep forgetting you got your camera there now. Yeah. Oh. Got a kick. Oh, it's spicy. Oh,
Just add a bit of the sauce.
Is it overpowering?
It's just to hit the back of my throat
Oh.
a bit.
Oh.
Sorry. Oh.
It has got it. I can't remember what it's got. I ain't got my reading glasses on. Cayenne pepper, paprika.
I think it's got a bit
Sugar.
of a kick, you know.
Got a bit of a kick.
I think so.
I might have done it a bit overpowering.
You know when you have the first little bit and it
Yeah.
hits the back of your throat? Let me try a bit.
Go on then. We've got our bowls, guys, to dip our fingers in because we're going to
I'm
make a
just going
mess.
to just be... I'm going to have to pick it up with my fingers, excuse me.
Yeah, just get on with it, babe. Crack on.
Yeah, that's nice.
Is that
I
nice?
like that.
Let me try
It has
please.
got a kick to it.
It's got a kick.
But it's more in the... it's
More in the sauce.
Sugar. Oh dear.
I've put a bit too much
I
on.
think you were.
Well, you don't know, do you? Oh, God, if you're struggling, what am I going to be like?
Oh,
Ooh.
it's that after kick.
It's trial and error, isn't it, with this stuff? That's the. It's I do generously, so I only put a tablespoon on each side. It smells really nice.
It smells lovely. I think you've.
And it's falling apart.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's that cayenne pepper. I can taste it burning.
It kicks the back of your throat, don't it? It's more the sauce. It's more the sauce than anything else.
Yeah, it's getting
really
it's getting hotter as I go. I can feel it.
Yeah.
But that's nice, isn't it?
It's delicious. It is really nice.
Dan, what are you doing to us? Oh.
It's that.
Yeah, that's burning now, that is. Burning my tongue.
It's
burning my tongue. Oh. Oh, I'm in my throat now. I need some water. Oh. It's not a horrible burn, it's just burning.
It's the kick in the back of your throat.
Oh.
It's not. I can't explain it. It's not a spice. Like a, oh, that's too spicy. It's not one of them.
No, I think it's the cayenne pepper.
I think it's the cayenne pepper. Yeah.
I think there's a lot of it in there. Or I put. Oh.
Have you ever rubbed your meat, Bab?
I've rubbed my meat too much. It's nice. It is nice. That's going to be nice on a barbecue, but I wouldn't put so much on.
I don't know if I rubbed the meat.
Let me try a bit of a barbie, Bab. If it's hot, then it is hot. If Nat thinks it's hot, it's hot. How do you go get on? Oh, wow. Oh.
Right.
I think if you like some of the spice on your ribs, guys, this would do you. I didn't want that much, babe. Just a little bit.
That went perfect. Sorry. Trust me. Butterfingers. Sorry.
Welcome to the channel. Oh no.
I need to make sure you've got some proper sauce on it. Yeah, you've got sauce.
It's not horrible spice. It's just a spice.
It's the. It's very rubbed me back. It's the kick in the back.
No, it's not.
It's the pepper.
I haven't over rubbed it because it's mixed, isn't it? So you can't. You're getting a bit of everything, can you? Oh. I'm telling you guys, if you like spice, you're gonna like that. Don't think of it as like Carolina Reaper or anything, but it's got a big kick on that. Oh.
I might have to just grab some of your water.
Jump to get you a pop.
I'll be alright in a minute.
I'll leave a link to what it's the one on Amazon. I'm sure that's where Dan got it from. Anyway, guys, they're doing loads of others, seasonings and that.
Go on then.
My lips are on fire.
Oh, my throat's still burning now.
It's hot, isn't it? Oh, I wasn't expecting it to be hot.
No, I don't know what I was expecting either.
I was expecting it to have a kick, but I weren't expecting it to be like that.
Oh,
I'm sweating.
I've only had 2 mouthfuls.
But I'll tell you what, guys. That is nice, but as I say, you've got to, when you first try it, maybe a teaspoon on each for me. On each side. Or just the one side. Ooh, but it is absolutely delicious, isn't it?
It is nice. Go on, try that piece again. Get the spice in your mouth.
Kick, man.
Oh, my mouth's still burning now, even though I just need another drink.
Roxy can't have any of these bones.
No.
No, not with this spice.
Like you said, it's trial and like you said, it's trial and error, isn't it? To start off with. Whew.
I like that. It's just far too hot. So if you do buy some, guys, make sure you just be careful how much you put on. It says do it generously on the website. So I've done it generously. But wow, obviously your spice tolerance. So guys, thank you, Dan. And I hope your mum's okay, mate, as well.
Yeah, we hope your mum's alright, bless you, sweetheart.
I'm going to eat it, because I think it's really nice, but it's going to take me a while.
I'll give up for a minute.
Oh. Wow. Wow.
Oh, my mouth's just getting hotter and hotter.
Oh. Was it about an hour and 15 minutes wrapped in the foil? Falls off the bone. I tried to eat mine as quick as I can before all the burn kicks in and I'll suffer after. Alright guys, so there we go. Like something spicy, get yourself some. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye bye. And it's a boy. That can't even speak. Oh, hotter than, would that be hotter than jerk chicken, do you think?
Yeah.
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hotter than
See you guys. No more. I'm absolutely burning, guys. I can't eat anymore. I can't eat anymore at all. Oh, there it is, look. Oh, the lad's getting it. I won't get you on, don't worry. The lad's enjoying it. He's getting into his, ain't you, son?
You're a wimp.
I'm a wimp.
Oh, you're a wimp.
That's thinking.
You're fucking me too much,
It's
man.
far too much.
Oh,
I won't get you on, mate, don't worry. Oh. So, you want something spicy, guys? It's not for me. It's far too hot. Bonne force on you, lads.
Nice.
Yeah, he loves it.